Hello and welcome to our GeoBasic game programming tutorial. First we start off with some graphics. I use the Paint program, which is on every Windows installation. We're gonna program a Kung Fu game, so we need a Kung Fu fighter. The professionals of you already noticed this is gonna look like Bruce Lee. The head, yep. And the hair. Blue eyes. Did Bruce Lee have blue eyes? I don't know. So next some shoes. And very GeoBasic specific, this color is transparent 2550128. So saving the bitmap. Creating a new folder for our project. Okay, so add some animation and save it as a different name. Now we need some shuriken, no game without a ninja star, and save that too. For the background we could travel to Japan, but I'd rather prefer using the internet for finding some images. Yeah, this one looks pretty good, so I save it and resize it with the Paint program later. Okay. Now start up the editor of GeoBasic. Create a new project. Specify the folder you want to save. Okay. And the name of the project. As you can see, it already creates a subfolder of the same name. We don't want that. So we remove it and press OK. Add some space. First the project's name, then some space for us to program. Okay. And then we start off with loading our images. First the background image. Then the player sprites. Next we do a infinite loop where we put our flip screen, a show screen in and draw our image in the center of the screen. Now start the game and look at it. Oh, cool. So, next we add some animation. Any equals 1 minus any. This would flip any from 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. But it's a bit too fast. So we add a delay. Delta. Okay. And if delta a bit too much, then we do the flip. and read the delta. Fine. Start it. We could move the sprite a bit deeper. Yeah, the animation of the sprite a bit deeper. Yeah. Well, that's a bit too slow. Try again. Nice. Then we have to draw the shuriken. Placing it on the right side of the screen and decreasing its X value, moving it left, showing it, yep, there it is. Okay, we add the rotation of that sprite, which makes it look as if it were thrown by a vicious ninja. Okay. Now we need the code for the spacebar. Okay, 57. If you press the spacebar, the player should jump. If spacebar and not jumping, put into jump mode and reset the jump position. Now we put the jump position into the vertical position of the sprite. Okay. And if you're jumping, increase the jumping position. So 180 degrees, that is when the player stomps on the ground again. Stop jumping. Testing. Spacebar. And wow! Next we need collision, because no collision, no game. sprcol is a command that lets you detect sprite collisions, that is on pixel basis, per pixel sprite collisions. Okay. Now I used the variable ply for the player vertical position, which is this. Okay. Testing. No. If collision, some short game over message. Ouch. Mouse weight and Next, if the ninja star reaches the left border, re-put it to the right border, making new ninja stars coming. Then creating a scary font for the texts. Maybe chiller. Yeah. Bit wider. Some decent color. Outline colors. Okay. Yep. Saving it into our project as small font bitmap, which gets loaded automatically at startup. Oh, adjusting the right screen. And making the game a bit faster. Heya! Hoyu! Hoya! Blah!